Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys only. Yeah, and this time, of course, we are going to talk about Fayoko. Alright, and this is going to be a long video because today I want to discuss a lot of stuff with you because I'm actually gonna talk with you because I am kind of confused right now. So I want to clear everything up by talking with you guys. So get ready. Let's get started, shall we? First of all, let me go through everything one by one so that I wouldn't miss anything. In the past few days, right? First of all, we got Fire's live. Yeah. Fire actually did a TikTok live, right? And then too, Yoko actually did a press conference along with Nine Star Studio. And I wanna, you know, I wanna quote this specific sentence from both Fire and both Yoko. Fire actually said on the TikTok live that she doesn't abandon anyone and she doesn't leave anyone first, right? You guys know it, she really said that. And secondly, Yoko on the press conference, she said the exact same thing. She said that she doesn't leave anyone first. Yeah, Yoko said that. Now the question is, who left whom? Why I am saying this? Wait, let me explain. According to the press conference of Nine Star Studios, Fire and Yoko has some feelings. Yeah, not relationship but feelings. Anyway, so let's continue. I'm sorry. I mean, I am laughing because all of these things are way too manipulated and heavy white lies by Nine Star, right? Anyway, so both Fire and Yoko had feelings for each other, right? So if you think about it, then who actually left whom? Did Fire leave Yoko or Yoko leave Fire? Because all of these things are way too confusing for me. Why I'm saying this? Wait. If you really think about it, if you think, yeah, I'm talking with you. If you think that Fire and Yoko are no longer together or they are not in good terms, then how come they actually went on acting classes just month ago? I mean, I have showed you guys this picture before, right here. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Right. I've actually talked about it briefly in my previous video. Go and check that out. Anyway, so how come Fire and Yoko went on, uh, classes together, went on workshop together, all by themselves? Note that. And the second thing is their vlog just came just a month ago, just right before all of the thing happened, all of the mess actually happened, right? So how come just in a month, just within a month, whole of the thing have changed between them? Just within a month. Note that. Does it make any sense to you guys? Because certainly it doesn't make any sense to me, at least. Because as we have watched the vlog, yeah, I have actually watched the vlog several times. Yeah, yeah, I love Fayoko so much, what can I say? Anyway, so as I was saying that both Fire and Yoko just did a vlog together, right? They were messing with each other, teasing each other and all this stuff, right? Which couple do, by the way. Anyway, so as I was saying that, yeah, just a month ago their vlog dropped and it was amazing, right? And how come just in a month we got this, we got their separation? Do you guys really think? I'm not heavily saying anything on the relationship part, but I refuse to believe that they are kind of separated. I refuse to believe that there are, bad blood between them. I refuse to believe it. I'm so sorry for it. But yeah, this is just pure bullshit. I just don't believe it. This whole thing is way too heavily manipulated by Nine Star. It's all white lies. I don't see why Yoko and Faye can't continue being them. I don't have any logic. Do you guys have any valid reason for it? And the way we know Yoko, she's very loving, very, you know, she respects Faye a lot. You guys can say that, right? And for Faye, you really can see through the screen that Faye really absolutely adore her Yoko, right? And then how come just in a single month everything has changed so dramatically? Do you guys think it's possible? Do you guys think? I mean, as far as I know Yoko, I mean, I don't know them personally, but as as we have been seeing them for a long period of time, I don't think that this is actually the truth. We don't know anything, either anything more either. We just can just assume things. This is actually really frustrating for me because we can't really say something more specifically. We are just analyzing stuff, and including me as well, as I'm making more videos. I am actually analyzing every little single details, and then I'm talking with you guys. And in this matter, and in on this topic, I would say the same thing. I don't think in a month they actually separated. I'm not even talking about their relationship, right? I don't think they are on a bad term with each other. I don't think that. I don't think they actually have bad blood between them. I don't think so. It doesn't make any sense. This is just pure bullshit, as I already said it. Do you guys think? What's your opinion about it? What do you guys feel about it? As I already said, that I am actually kind of confused about loads of stuff, and yeah, I actually have two questions. That's it. At first, who left whom, as both of them actually said publicly that they actually don't leave anyone first. And second, if they were to not have any kind of relationship between them, then how come they actually went on workshop together all by themselves, right? How come? And not to mention the vlog as well. So please make me understand, someone, please. And all of these things don't make any sense, as I already said. But let's see, wait and see in the future maybe. And you guys do comment below, what's your thought on this? What's your take on this? All right, I'll wait for your comment. Yeah. So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully that helped somehow. Yeah. I'll see you guys soon, very soon, with new one, with new update. Till then, take care and keep smiling. That's it. And keep an eye on the channel for regular update. All right. Bye.